How to book Airbnb. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can book Airbnb, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to book Airbnb, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Airbnb application here, and then also make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you sign into your account, just find out what you want, whether you're looking for rooms or farms or earth homes or whatever else that you're looking for. You can just go ahead and select those and then just select a place that you would like to book over here. Once you've done that, you should be able to see the translation, and now here you'll be able to see all the details per night and so on. So now just tap the reserve option. Once you tap the reserve option over here, you should be able to see all of your trips such as your dates and so on. Now you can view the price details. You can select request to book, and then right over here you should be able to actually add a message here. Once you select add a message for your trip, you can just tap on request book, and now you can confirm with the payment details, or you can also pay after you reach the place. Only after you've done that, your booking will get successfully made. This way you will be able to book Airbnb. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.